we got an iPhone 11 Pro with restart and Apple logo only or boot loop. Customer needs important data. Can it be fixed without data loss? Let's get started. First, put the iPhone on recovery mode by pressing the power keys and inserting the charger till the recovery option shows. Let's try to restore. Most of the iPhone cases found with error code. On my cases showing error 4013. After this, your iPhone is stuck in recovery mode. You can do exit recovery first, otherwise your iPhone is stuck in recovery mode. First, remove the charging flex and check the problem is still the same. Let's check one by one. Let's remove the camera flex, power flex, IR camera, dot projector, all flex and check. Unfortunately, the problem is still the same. But after disconnecting ear speaker flex, the iPhone is powered on. This means there is some problem with the ear speaker flex. Let's see that can be fixed or not. This flex has the most important role on True Tone, auto brightness control, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor and flood illuminator have important role on Face ID. Here you can see that white and means have water damage issues. This section has issues mostly due to moisture or water that was inserted from the ear speaker. Sometimes the pin under the chip is shorted, so have to clean it. Now there is no rusty sign in my cases. Let's resolve this module. Finally, check whether the flex works or not after doing this. Now it works. Finally, the fault was from water damage and this showed the ear speaker flex cause that issues. After doing this, the problem was fixed. If you face such an issue, then don't forget to try this process once. If you visit us first time, don't forget to subscribe and like. It's me Akash. Peace out.